how garbage trucks clean the streets and find out what we can do to keep the streets clean and beautiful. Let's go! Uh-oh! So much trash here. Maybe we should clean up.
Oh, man!
There's so much trash. Let someone else do it, not me.
Hey, man! Your duty is to clean up the trash on the streets. Why do you throw trash like that? Oh no! Garbage trucks are dropping more and more trash.
Oh my god! Garbage blocks my view! I can't see anything! Oh my god! It's dangerous! I almost had an accident!
That's a garbage truck, right? Why does he litter like that?
How unconscious! Let's quickly chase him!
Littering on the street, so fun! Wah! There are 3 trash cans over there. I thought of a fun game.
The garbage truck's actions were seen by 2 of our friends. Oh no! This guy still refuses to do his duty. Okay, I will report it to the police. All right, let's go to the police station.
Dear police officer, I witnessed the whole thing! All of this trash comes from garbage trucks. He doesn't do his duty and causes vandalism.
It turns out that's it. Quickly chase the garbage truck. There he is! He won't stop! I have to speed up!
Oh no! The police are chasing me!
Stop that! Hey man! Why are you filling the streets with trash like this? It's really dangerous!
Garbage truck looks back at the road it caused. It's very regretful.
I'm so sorry, I know it's wrong. I will fix it.
Hey man! Your mission is to help us have a clean and beautiful environment. So don't throw trash indiscriminately, and now hurry up and clean up.
I will clean up the city clean and green.
After regretting my sabotage, the garbage truck redeemed itself by cleaning up the streets. Remember to take care of the trash too.
All right!
Hooray! Hooray! In the end, the truck apologized. He worked hard and brought cleanliness back to the city. Did you see? That the naughty garbage truck's action of throwing trash just now was really bad, right? We must not throw trash on the street indiscriminately and must not destroy the environment. Although the garbage truck was mischievous and caused an error, in the end, the garbage truck completed its task well. So let's join hands to protect a clean and beautiful environment. Hello, friends. Hey, there are 2 cars in front of me right now. Today, I will have a very special challenge for the 2 of them. Can you guess what those challenges are? Follow me to find out what the challenge is. Let's go! Hey, bus driver, come quickly and pick us up.
Please wait a minute. I'm coming now.
Hey!
What's ahead? A road under repair?
This road is broken. Maybe I have to go on a dirt road to pick up students.
Oh, no! This road is dangerous. Please take the bus carefully.
I have to get over this place quickly.
The muddy road is almost over. Come on, bus.
Yeah!
The bus went through the muddy road, but challenges are still ahead.
Oh, boy!
The bridge ahead looks quite dangerous, but I have to get over it.
This wood bridge seems so old. It's cracking everywhere.
Oh no! What's going on? Someone save me!
Help! 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 Did I just hear a cry for help? Maybe he are nearby. I have to go find him.
Bus, stay calm. Don't be afraid. The fire truck will help you right now.
Hey, fire truck guy, please save me!
Don't move too hard. I'll save you right now. All right.
The good-natured fire truck has appeared. He's trying to rescue the bus.
Come on!
The fire truck tried very hard, but couldn't reach the bus. What should he do? Oh my God, the bridge rope is about to break.
Oh no, the bus fell into the river.
Oh, the fire truck crane is too short. It can't reach the bus. Ah, yes, I need a buoy right away. Okay. Here it is, Life Buoy. We can use it to save the bus. Hey, bus. Grab the buoy and try to move close to the shore.
Yeah!
Hooray!
Good job, bus. You caught the buoy. Quickly swim to shore.
Oh, now I know. Swimming buses are also very good.
Let me use the rope to pull you up safely.
Come on, let's pull the bus up together.
Thanks to our efforts, you were saved. Very resilient.
Thank you for rescuing me, fire truck.
I need a stronger and safer bridge to install here to move more safely. Yes! A new colorful Lego bridge has been built. It's so beautiful.
Thank you for our efforts. I will try this bridge.
I also have to go pick up the kids after school. Sorry to keep you waiting. Let's get in the bus and go home.
Yay! The bus still comes to pick you up on time. They were happy and left.
Yeah! Oh yeah!
Hooray! You see, if you have an accident underwater, stay calm. Find a place to hold on to so you don't get flooded, and then scream loudly for help. And it's best to equip yourself with a float and learn how to swim so you don't have any problems getting into the water. Most importantly, do not go into the water without adult supervision. Remember, and bye-bye. Hello! Hey guys, do you know what car this is? And what is its function? So today, please join me in experiencing the mission of this car. Let's go! Oh no! The oil tanker had a hole in it, but he didn't know it. The road is full of oil. Very easy to cause slipping from moving vehicles. It's dangerous! Slippery roads can easily cause accidents.
Oh my God, the road is on fire! I have to find the fire source now!
Tank truck! You shouldn't go that fast! The fire truck will come to help you! Don't be afraid!
The tanker truck goes so fast, I have to stop him!
Hey, you!
We have to stop him!
crashed into and caused a fire in a house.
Oh no, there's a big fire. I have to save him. Don't worry, I will save you first.
So great! Little fire trucks are fighting the tanker truck fire.
Yeah! Thanks, fire truck. Thanks to you, the fire on my body was put out.
Next, we have to put out the fire in the house that the tanker crashed into. But something is wrong. The fire is so big.
Oh, no!
This fire is too big, but I'm too small. We need something bigger.
Oh no, this fire truck is too small. It cannot put out fires on high floors. I have to find a way. Ah! Let's choose a vehicle to fight the fire.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh!
The big fire truck has been chosen. Hey, big fire truck! Quickly reach up the ladder and hose and put out the fire. Let's go! Wow! Wow! This fire truck has a very long ladder. He can reach high floors. Wow! Big fire truck with very strong water capacity. He fights fires very effectively. So effective! The big fire truck successfully extinguished the fire in the high-rise building. Mission accomplished!
Yeah!
Thanks, big fire truck. Thank you for promptly extinguishing the house fire.
Nothing. Next time you should be more careful.
You are amazing, big fire truck. I have to learn a lot from you.
And in the end, everyone went home happily. Remember, little ones, if we encounter fires on the road, we must call the rescue team quickly. Do you love fire trucks? Fire trucks are very important to us. Bye-bye.
Oh, that's a tractor and a tanker. Where are they going? This road is so bumpy. Too much gravel!
Oh no, the road was so bumpy that my belongings fell out.
Items from the tow truck's box fell onto the entrance of the monster lair. Do you know what's in there? Oh my god, it's Goddzilla!
Oh no! The tractor has been captured by Goddzilla! It's really scary. The tow truck has been caught. I need to call for help right away.
Help me!
Please follow me. The tractor has been captured by Goddzilla.
Really quickly take me there. All right!
Construction vehicles arrived to support. Can they do anything?
Is anyone in there? Can I ask my friend back?
It seems they don't know fear yet. They're destroying Godzilla's house.
Hey!
Looks like that is Godzilla's tail. Both cars were knocked out by Godzilla. They are being captured by Godzilla. The tanker truck in the distance saw everything. He's scared to call for more. The remaining excavator was also captured and locked inside by Godzilla. Mission failed.
It's terrible. Godzilla has captured 2 more excavators. I need your help, police.
All right, quickly take me there.
All right!
Godzilla, we have arrived! Quickly return the seized vehicles. We are not afraid of you. Quickly release our friends to us. Okay, I will use water to destroy your house.
Oh yeah!
Quickly return our car.
Yay!
The tractor was returned safely by Godzilla.
Hooray! Hooray!
The excavator was finally come back. Lucky!
Thank you, police, for coming to our rescue.
Next time, remember to travel carefully and be more careful with Godzilla.
Thank you. We ask permission to leave first.
Remember, kids, when traveling on bumpy roads, pay attention to safety. And also, be careful with giant monsters. The vehicles have been rescued. They went home happy. After the cars left, Godzilla came out of the cave screaming. It seems very angry.
Godzilla, I don't want to hear those sounds anymore.
Oh man! Oh
Maybe the wheel is deeper. I have to keep digging.
Come on! All right!
Come on! Go away! You're not what I'm looking for!
Aha!
We need to bring down those treetop doors.
The tree is too tall. The excavator can't reach it. We have to find another way.
Got an idea!
Oh yeah! Ba, ba, ba. All right!
Hello everyone! Today we will experience police cars, tank trucks, cranes, and excavators working. Let's see what good things these cars can do today. That's a tanker truck. Where is he going?
Oh no! There is a hole ahead!
Oh no! The deep hole is so dangerous. Why aren't there any danger warning signs here?
Help! Help me!
Huh? A cry for help? 2 cars are in danger. I need to find a way to save them. Ah! We need to prepare rescue equipment. Warning signs. Crane! Excavator! Okay, let's go rescue the tank truck.
All right!
Let's go!
We are here to save you!
Remember, little friend, dangerous places like this need to have safety warning signs for everyone. Hooray! Hooray! In cases like this, cranes are the most effective means. He's pulling up the police car with ease.
Yeah!
Next is rescuing the tank truck. Can they do it? Oh no, it's too dangerous. The crane is not strong enough to pull the tank truck. Oh no!
Help! 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 Oh no, you can't solve it alone! Let me help!
Because the crane was working alone, it overturned. Please ask others for help when you encounter difficult things, guys.
Okay, now let's pull the tank truck up, excavator.
Come on! Oh yeah!
Thank you, cranes and excavators. Thanks to you, I was saved.
You're welcome! Next time, you should pay attention and control your speed when driving.
Oh, we still have a road that needs repair. This hole is very dangerous. I have to find some way to fill this hole. Ah! Let's go! Okay, tanker, let's fix this road together.
All right!
Ah, the tanker truck has arrived in the refueling tank to repair the road. The car is full of concrete. Let's go! This is the true use of tank trucks. So helpful. Thanks to everyone's efforts, the road has been repaired like new. But don't forget either, after each job, remember to clean up your tools.
Well done, tanker! You helped the city repair this road!
That's the right thing to do.
The road is beautiful
happening?
Which car can help McQueen handle this fire? Right! The fire truck will fight the fire, and the ambulance will treat McQueen. Let's choose a vehicle for firefighting. Oh, man. We should choose appropriate vehicles for firefighting. Ambulance. Okay. Fire truck.
Oh, yeah!
The house burned so loudly that McQueen had to hide on the rooftop.
Don't worry, McQueen. We'll get you down right away.
Please save me. I'm very afraid of fire and afraid of heights.
All right!
Hold on, McQueen. I'm here to pick you up for treatment. Get in the car.
Along with the fire engine, an ambulance also arrived to treat McQueen.
Let's go get treatment, McQueen.
At the same time, the fire truck was doing its duty. He's working hard to put out the house's fire. Thanks to the efforts of the fire truck, the fire has been successfully extinguished. Hooray! Hooray! Oh no! I need to quickly notify the rescue team. Police car. Crane.
Don't worry, we will take out the tree and save you right now. We need you, Crane. Could you please hoist the tree out?
All right!
We need to remove the tree that's crushing the car first.
A great job, Crane Truck. You saved the car.
That's my duty. I will take him home for treatment.
Hey, friends, remember, move carefully when it rains and storms.
Yes!
After the rain, the streets were safe. Vehicles are moving happily again.
Yeah!
Oh no!
Wait!
Oh no! Tow truck, I'll go call someone to save you right away!
This abyss is too deep. Who can help this car now? Aha! Let's choose a vehicle to rescue the tow truck. Helicopter. Excavator. Let's go save the tow truck. We need an excavator to lift the truck up.
Here I am, tow truck. I'll take you up there right away.
That's amazing! The helicopter is using its power to pull the tow truck up.
Hey, excavator, please take them back to the city.
Okay.
Yeah!
Don't forget, remember to clean up the scene after rescuing our friends. Hooray! Hooray! our rescue team is amazing! Hey, little friends, recent incidents have occurred such as this fire, this accident, or falling down a